Okay, so we have one of the payment service landing page, and want to show you how you can get this done in minimal prompt, right? So let's see. I will check my credits on the bill, and next we also look at the form, which is single landing page, page for payment service need your team limited, and make sure to have like 3 sections for service explaining how company works for consumer, right? End the page with call to action, book now button, right? So at the bottom page we will have this particular button. Above it we have card explaining the service prices, right? So all of this we will try and work with. So we have like cloth training, book now button, then card explaining the service prices. All of this under single landing page, right? So we have those 3 sections as well. Finally we will try to have less credits as possible message, as less credits as we can. New database, new cloud features, right? If we can get this done with, let's say, payment and HTML file, that would also work. In fact, that is much better option as well. So we'll run the prompt, see what it shows, right? You can always change this to some other company name. You can have your own or frictional. So I'm using the frictional name because I'm going to just show you the example. Right, so if I run this, it should first go through the whole prompt and think over what to display. Right, so this is the cleaning service. We need 3 sections for service explaining how company works for consumer clothes, cleaning the page with call to action. Right, so we have all those features, right? Fresh people are same 3 service explanations, service sections, pricing card, and prominent CTA for now. Right, so it is going as minimal as it can go, still maintaining the modern layout, right? I have to also check at the end of project this particular project taking how many credits. Then you have your cloud features, you can get code from here and you can add remove these elements. So here you see pure landing pages there. Then you have things like contact form, gallery, FAQ, testimonials. I have to start the preview again. Okay, so it will load completely and then it will show. I will have to hide the sidebar. You can see the company name and then the hero element showing the button, how it works, pick up, then cleaning, and then delivery. You can also see pricing is there, then finally book now. Notice we didn't use actually the button at the bottom of this particular card, right? And it is ending here. So this is where we will be pushing for Stripe or similar service that will fetch the further payment details, right? We can also go with the subscription and other forms, but for this particular, you can see the service doesn't have much decent pricing by default, so we'll have to manually read those changes. And rest, you can see they have added some of the content on their own. You can edit that. For that, we will also look how many credits it took, 1.7. So we can edit in this current state and add contact form, testimonials, FAQ. So they are suggesting this for further input. You can have all those changes in the same page as well. Right, so this is our landing page for